So, Emma, when it comes to floors, what is up with flooring in your little home?
So, I mentioned that we changed our kitchen floors, and I'll get to that in like a second, but throughout the rest of our house is the original wood floors from 99 years ago. And obviously they're not they're not in great condition, but I still love them. They are so cute and character. They tell a story. Every single scratch and dent and whatever. But our kitchen floors, that's the only thing that we replaced. The bathroom also they have tile floors in the bathroom, and then the kitchen is different flooring. It's not the wood floor. So it was this peel and stick gray wood look flooring. And ever since we moved into the house, I was like, this is not my style. This is too trendy, on the way out trend. Gray is not really in anymore. So I was like, I always knew I was going to replace it. It just didn't feel like it fit the rest of the house. So then I decided we didn't want to put a lot of money into it. We could have done tile, but that was a lot of money. And we also didn't feel like taking on the DIY because we don't really hire out. We do everything ourselves because it saves money.
Yeah. And that's hard.
So we wanted to do, yeah, exactly. Tile is hard. So I knew I wanted to try peel and stick because I've seen people have success with it. Like there's so many different influencers who have said that they have success and they've posted 5 years down the line and it's still in great shape. So I was like, okay, let's do it because we won't be here for much longer. It'll last. Joke's on me. It's literally the second we installed it, it wasn't good. So we decided to do the peel and stick, like I said, and it's like this classic black and white tile look. It looks beautiful, or it could look beautiful. It has potential.
You've got to send Britt a picture of that so that when we do this, everybody can see it because I'm dying to see it. I love that.
It is.
You know what I saw one time that was the coolest little idea? Imagine original hardwood floors. And then you paint over those white.
Yeah.
And then you paint black over that with like a fleur-de-lis or something. Like a something.
That would be so pretty. I thought you were going to say there's someone that I've seen that they left the wood floors, but then they did like a checkerboard pattern over that in like a green. And that's really pretty too.
I love that. Yes. Do that.
Well, if I had wood in my kitchen, I would have considered it. But instead, with these wood floors, we were on like a deadline because I was doing a photo shoot in my house, and like 0 out of 10 do not recommend ever doing DIY projects on a deadline because you're gonna cut corners, which we did. We could have used like a self-leveling liquid to level out everything in the kitchen. Take the stove out, take the fridge out. We did not. We decided to just like rip up all the floors, and then it was literally just like cement and subfloor. And we were like, well, might as well. So then we just started sticking down the peel and stick tiles, and as we were sticking them down, they were peeling up, and we were like, what do we do? Of course, it was already like 1 a.m. at that point, and we needed to get this done like that weekend because the photo shoot was on like Sunday. So we were just like, okay, well, let's just do it. So we kept trucking on, and now, it's getting better now, but for like weeks, we couldn't even walk in the kitchen with socks on because our socks would snag on every single corner.
Oh my God.
So nightmare. I got ripped apart on Facebook when I posted that reel about the kitchen. I got ripped apart on Facebook. People on Instagram were nicer. People on Facebook were not nice.
What do you mean? What do you mean, Emma? What did they rip you apart for? It's your photo shoot, your kitchen.
Exactly.
You set it up.
Exactly. People on the internet are crazy. I'm sure you know.
You're working for them.
They think, and it's not their money, it's not their house, but people were like, in the video, I literally admitted, like, this was a mistake. I know we did wrong. We're learning for the future. And people were like, wow, you seem to know so much about flooring. You should be a flooring contractor. And I'm like, wow, that's my dream job, actually. Or like people telling me like, oh, what did you expect if you did a hack job?
People.
Yeah, so people were mean about it. That's okay. Just kill them with kindness.
You know what? That's right. Live and learn. take it as just part of your training. Because it's
Exactly.
just going to only
Honestly,
make you
this
better.
first house has been so exactly. And our first house is just like it's practice. It's so forgiving of every mistake, and we'll do better in the next house.